have two and nine here. Here's that old BB gun that I put on YouTube. I have restored it completely. Pretty nice restoration. Not too easy. But I don't know if I showed you in that video I posted on YouTube, but the back of it had dry rot, so I cut it, sanded it all off, restained it. This is a Daisy BB gun model 155, Plymouth, Michigan. You can't really read it at all, but completely restored. Took the whole thing apart, blasted it, had rust all over it, primered it, painted it black, put it all back together. The trigger, it has like a weird put together. Hold on. Let me go get a flashlight. Sure.
Dad doesn't mind feeding for him. It's just, tell me the day before. Plan. Tell me the day before. Dawn, I'm going to be gone.
Right here. It has a weird, what holds the trigger together. And it goes onto the end of the trigger, spring that's inside the stock. Right there. You can see that. It's a real good gun. And this, damn it. Okay, so this is metal, and the new ones they're making are plastic. But again, if you watch that video and you look in the description, first started making this specific model 1931 and ended at 1953, I believe. Go on Google and you'll find that. Did this all myself. It's pretty nice. Has no safety. Come over here, and this is scratched up because there's no way you can stop it from getting scratched up when you turn it. See what? Right there. So, yeah, so you can't keep it from getting scratched up too much. Nothing really you can do. Let's see.